Feels really great to partner with Main Street America and OneMain Financial for a chance to really revitalize our downtown and do something special. We were lucky enough to partner with David Benko and the National Neon Sign Museum for a chance to restore some of his signs that are too big to fit in the museum and put them around town. There was a time when these streets were lined with a ton of neon signs, and it's really great to bring some of that character back to our downtown. It's a chance for people to come and just celebrate our community and celebrate the downtown, the Dalles, and the Dalles as a whole. We know that people are really excited and are really looking forward to seeing this happen.